going on YouTube? We are here at back. Me and Gio haven't been here since last season when I got my jacket, but we had a nice little fun run on the way down. Nothing too crazy, you know. So they're doing a demo ride, and we're gonna try and check it out. I think that's the bike they're letting folks demo. But again, we're at Shoreline Harley down here, South Jersey. Yeah, so I think what Vinny said, driver's license and proof of insurance, and that's it. You know, but ordinarily, you know, they have like a rider lead. So I don't know how they do it here, but I'm gonna check it out. Maybe I'll just do the parking lot or something just to be safe. So all right, let's try to get this thing in.
The revolution will be live.
Yeah, I'm liking this right here. I'm just looking around, and you guys are doing the demo rides today?
We do demo rides every day.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so because...
Predator helmet, right?
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, thank you. Hey, I got this the last time I was down here with you guys, you know? Yeah. So what do you have on display for demoing? Because is it just the one bike?
That's on display for demoing.
Yeah, for the demo. Like, is that the only bike you have out there?
We have a 24 road glide and a 24 street glide.
You gotta check it out, man. What you think?
And then I have
All of this? All right, cool. Yeah, we're YouTubers, so we're out here diversifying our portfolio, and we're sport bike guys. But I know that there's a love for, you know, the cruisers. So eventually, as we get older, we're probably gonna pick something like that up.
Yeah.
But you know, any information or intel, I really like this right here.
So this is Harley Davidson Sportster.
Okay.
Their new Sportster, but this isn't it's not necessarily what comes to mind when you say the word Sportster. Sportster is a small bike. You know,
Yeah.
5-speed transmission.
All right.
This is different. This is like a honey badger took cocaine.
Honey badger, and you know honey badgers don't mess around, right?
So, this is very often compared to Ducati's Diablo.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Right. So in this little bike, you have a 6-speed Revolution Max 1250 engine.
Okay.
Really cool.
Okay.
And probably took a page out of some other European brands where the engine is used as a stress member. So you have a front half of the bike here that ties to the engine. You have the rear half of the bike swing arm that ties to the rear.
Okay.
That's it. So it's not a traditional cage.
Uh-huh.
Like that wraps around the whole engine.
Ah, I see.
Traditional. So Harley Davidson was able to save a lot of weight with this bike.
Yeah.
Being that it's a 1250, this particular bike makes about 121 horsepower and 94 foot-pounds of torque, and it only weighs 500 pounds.
That's really nice.
Wow. It's an absolute monster. Anything over 5,000 RPMs is a completely different beast.
Right.
Anything under 5,000 RPMs, it's great for putting around town.
All right.
It really is. So it's very rideable. It's very tame.
Mm-hmm.
You do have your option of riding modes. So you have road, rain, and sport. Three
Okay.
modes. Then you have A and B mode.
Okay.
So A and B mode allows you to copy 2 of the bike's rider modes and alter them, make them your own modes. So really, you have 5 accessible riding modes at your fingertips if you want.
Oh wow, that's really nice. And I like how it has that, you know, I think trellis frame with how this is all set up? It's a little more hollow.
It's the start of a trellis frame,
Yeah.
but then it dies because it's not a complete frame.
Right. Okay,
Yeah.
but this really looks nice.
Now on you know Harley's older Sportsters that are outside, the irons, the 48s, you have your traditional
Mhm.
front end suspension like you see here on this Nightster.
Got it.
On these Sportster S, they're inverted forks with
Right. See
four
that?
pop
Oh,
piston.
I see.
Brembo brake caliper right there. So they have Brembo brakes on them front and rear as well.
Nice. And Brembo's a good system to go with.
All the way around the bike, LED turn signals, LED headlight.
That looks really nice. Really digging it. Oh, and that's a TFT display.
This is a TFT display screen. Yes.
Okay.
So this screen also is Bluetooth compatible.
Oh, so it can pair up to your phone?
Yeah, so you've noticed right here you have some volume up and down buttons, play, pause.
No way.
Forward, backwards.
Nice.
So if you have, your phone can Bluetooth to the bike.
Yeah.
And you could Bluetooth the headset to the bike.
Nice.
So you can control all the music in that headset right from there.
And never have to touch the phone.
The other thing is, this bike is navigation accessible.
Okay.
So on your phone, you can download an app called Harley Davidson Connect.
Mm-hmm.
In this app, Harley Davidson has navigation. You can record rides, make your own rides.
Oh, okay.
So you can access that all from the app.
Okay.
But while you're in that app
Yeah.
and Bluetooth to the bike, it'll pull right to the screen.
That is cool.
Right.
So you'll see it like as if I'm doing on my phone right up on here. And that feature I've seen on Tone It. They have apps where you can actually record your routes, and now they're doing a consolidation and putting it into the heads-up display. That is awesome.
Not only that, if you hit this menu button here,
Uh-huh.
okay, so there's the navigation icon.
Nice. This is
There's
mind-blowing.
your music icon.
Nice.
Your bike icon, so you can diagnose your own bike. It even gives you your tire pressure there. So,
Also, it had the TPMS in there.
Yeah.
Nice.
so if you go into the diagnostics, if there is a check engine light of some kind,
Mm-hmm.
it'll show up.
So they got it really modern, because I know Ducati and BMW really start pushing that electronics.
It'll show, but will it tell you what it is?
It won't tell you what the code is, but it'll tell you what the number is. Instead of, like cars you have to type it OBD.
Yeah, I got it.
So once you OBD to it and you read it from the scanner, then you can look it up. Here, it's right there on the screen. You write it down, or you just Google it.
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, you got your phone with you anyway.
Yeah.
You see the code, type it in Google, it'll come up. Like a lot of times, if the battery dies, because this runs off a security system, so slowly that security system runs the battery. So if you don't triple charge them every now and again, they will die. Once that battery dies, you'll get a check engine light with a historic H at the end of the code. You can delete that yourself. It's not detrimental to the bike or anything like that. It's just
Yeah.
when the battery dies, you charge it or put another battery in, you're gonna have that code. So you can delete that code yourself right from that screen.
That is nice. So everything that some of the older bikes you had to kind of throw in there, it comes with it. This is really cool.
Yeah, a couple other things too. This bike does have the capability of heated grips. That's what that button is right there. That's a heated grip button. So you can change the grips to have heated grips.
Right.
It's a Sportster with cruise control.
Okay. Nice.
Not only that, it's a Sportster with traction control and push to talk.
No, wait a minute. What in the Knight Rider is going on over here?
Push to talk, yeah.
Push to talk.
Wow.
So, I mean, it might not be too crazy to other brands to have traction control or anything like that on a small bike, but look at other brands.
Yeah.
Honda's selling their Goldwing, their master touring bike, which is a supercomputer on wheels, or they're selling CBR 1000 double Rs with state-of-the-art advanced technology and suspension. So yeah, those bikes, of course, they're gonna have. There are other bikes, but let's be real here.
Yeah. Yeah, and I interviewed Honda.
You're getting a Goldwing. And if you're a younger guy shopping at Honda,
At the
you want
fire
that
blade.
CBR 600 or CBR 1000. Same with BMW. BMW super.
Yeah, at the International Bike Show, I interviewed Honda when the Triple R came out, and that was some interesting stuff.
Witchcraft.
Yeah, right. All right.
So, but for Harley Davidson to put this stuff on a Sportster, that's a big deal.
All right.
It's a big deal.
All right. So, what's the MSRP on this? If any of our subscribers want to come and check you guys out down here.
So MSRP on this bike, it's starting out at $16,699, but
Okay.
I want to walk you through this tag so that everyone is aware. This is a 2023 model back when Harley Davidson was putting the surcharge on the bike last year.
Yeah.
We have an appearance protection package that comes from us.
Okay.
You have freight and prep. It's on Harley Davidson's website, $700.
Okay.
$560 for the prep and the surcharge, which brings you down to your price here.
Okay. Gotcha. Ding ding.
But Harley Davidson's got some promotions running on their 2023, so if you're looking for a Sportster S and you're okay with the 2023, we're okay with giving you a great deal.
All right. For our viewers, can you give us your name and how to contact you?
My name is Eric, but I want to go back to that previous statement. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm okay with giving you guys a great deal on a 2024, but I really can give you a great deal on a 2023.
Okay, folks, make sure you, if you're in the area, Shoreline Harley, they have some awesome stuff. I got my jacket here last season, as you saw in that video. There's some good stuff. So, Reverend Richards, what do you think? Amazing. Good stuff. All right, so we're going to close this segment out. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.